We're in Kilroot in Carrickfergus, and we've been mining salt here since 1965. We produce about 500,000 tonnes a year of de-icing rock salt, and it ends up on the roads of the UK and Ireland. As well as the usual mining equipment that you would have, we wanted trucks to bring 1 tonne bags of concrete material into the mine for our stability project. We looked at a number of models and we ended up with the Volvo FMX because it gave us the ground clearance that we needed, the overall height and the traction that we needed for the mine. The 6x6 gives us fantastic traction in the mine, and the drivers love them, full stop.